Hello and welcome back to Dad's Backyard Blueprint. Today we are going to take that garden box and turn it into a greenhouse. Let's get started. So as far as supplies go, we've got some PVC, we've got our plastic, we've got one impact driver, one drill, so pilot hole screws, got some screws as well, and then we're going to make a little bit of a holder on the side of the garden box for the PVC to rest on, so it's not just gonna hang there. Oh, and how can I forget? We've got zip ties too. Pretty simple. First, to create the holders on the side of the garden box for the PVC to rest on, we just have some regular stakes. These guys, we're gonna cut off the tips here, and so we have a nice little angle for those PVCs to rest on. Let's get cutting. Yes, I know I need a higher powered skill saw, but you got to use what you got until you can buy a new one. So we're just going to do 3 for now, and then we'll do the other 3 later. This is what I'm talking about. Triangles. We're going to drill them in to the side of the garden box so that the PVC can rest right in here against the garden box and this. So slight change of plan. We are going to end up fastening, these are just old stakes that I cut the tips off of, and I'm going to be putting a screw right through here. Let's see it. And there we have it. Let's test it out with a PVC pipe. Yeah, that'll do. Let's do 2 more. Just gonna move the automatic watering system out of the way, and we're good to go. It's great when the battery dies. Let me go get a new one. There we go. All right, there we have it. One, 2, and 3, all the way down the line. So this way, we'll be able to use our PVC pipe, slide it back down here. That's not going anywhere. All right, so next we've got our plastic. And we're going to attach this to the PVC pipes using, my favorite thing, zip ties. So we're gonna get some of this out, about the width of the PVC pipe. Cut it. And then we're gonna unravel. All right. We're gonna kind of wrap this up, and then we'll poke some zip ties through it. Like so. Let me grab those zip ties. It's getting a little windy out here. Hope you can still hear me. But we're gonna zip tie this in 4 different places. So over here at the beginning, just gonna poke it through. Nice and tight. Pull the rest of this nice and taut. I'll do one at this side as well. And then we got 2 more. All right. So I'm gonna cut off the extra as well, so it doesn't get in the way. Not hitting anything. Not poking. All right. There we go. There's one side. Let's see how it's gonna look on the garden bed. All right. So we're gonna bring it around over the top, slide it into place. Definitely gonna put another PVC pipe over here, make it nice and taut, like so. Okay, looking pretty good. Now we just need another PVC pipe on this side. So what we're gonna do first here is we're gonna cut this down because it obviously is really long. It doesn't need to be that long. So let's do that. Roll that up. Add the zip ties. Perfect. And we'll cut the outsides. Cut the extra. All right. Now we have both sides wrapped up over our PVC. Let's take it over to the garden and test it out. All right. There we go. And there we have it. A little bit of ventilation, not too much. Let's see how this thing stands up to wind. That's a good question. Now, we just gotta make one for this side. I'll be right back. All right, y'all, now I am back, but it is the next day. I was trying to get this whole thing done before the rain came, big storm came. So I got the other one finished and had to figure out how to keep this thing on here without collecting water during the rain. So I went ahead and with wood I had laying around, of course, got a lot of scrap wood. I put a, it's probably a 16-foot plank I had from an old retaining wall that I took down. Perfect for this garden bed here. I just laid it across up on its side, and it props up the plastic. We still have a little bit of water collection along the sides here, but that's kind of easily remedied, so it's not too much. But yeah, so I left it open for a couple hours for some free water, and then it was time to close it up. And I hadn't thought of this plank yet, but I'm glad I did. Works out really well. So if you made it to the end of this video, please like, consider subscribing, help me grow this channel, and do some fun stuff like this. See you next time.